So now, in this video, we will do a texturing to the headlights. So this is slightly time consuming, and we need to take care of those things that are really too much, which is really important. And what is it? We'll just add a same existing material. Car interior would be much better. Yes, or car interior is good for him. And let us just go over here and select the headlights. Okay, these are the headlights class, and let us just check out. So you will see that there is one more class inside. Before doing that, I just want you to just kill those values, like freeze or transform to 0 1 0 0 0, and then take it out, so that you just need to change the when you know, placing them back. So now we just go and select the other part and try to take those things as well out. So you see, then inside there is a Chrome, I think so. Okay, there is a Chrome later on, which is this. So what we need to do is we need to texture two stuff, which is, for one would be the glass, the second would be having this would be totally transparent, the second would be having the that distortion kind of thing, and then we can see the inside our car. So what we will do is we'll start from, let me just freeze this as well. Okay, so we'll take this whole glass part, which is this one, and we'll add a texture which is fong. Assign a new material. We can do it from here, which is fong. Where is it? Yes, there is it. So we have applied fong. So front glass had HD for headlight, I think so. And what we're gonna tell them, this is totally transparent. So now you see this is totally transparent, and it has that it is capturing slightly light. Okay, so we'll go on this one. So as you can see, we have this. So we'll take this entire region, and or else I'll just keep this light as a perfect one, and both of them slightly dark. So I'll take this as new material, which is would be Fong, definitely Fong, every time Fong. Yeah, and I name it as what should I call it? Mm, glass distortion main. This is the main headlight, so I'll just keep it main headlight, and we'll go over here and just in color we'll just take our black and white image, which is the headlight hallucination one. As you can see it over here. So let us just check the is the UV perfect of them. The UV is really good. So what we need to do is we'll go and add bump as well. Same, we're just gonna use that image as a bump. So we have distortion in them. So we'll do the same thing for apply the same material to both of them as well, I think so. Apply the same material, existing material, car, and same goes to this one. Let us just take them out, and we can see there is a chrome part over here. So we'll select this chrome, and we'll add a new shader, which is AI standard surface, and we'll go over here and replace it by, where is chrome? 90% of chrome, or else replace it by entirely. So I have chrome which is quite bright, and we'll lower it down slightly so that I have the texture like that, and I'll just name it as chrome front headlight, front M, which is main, which is HD for headlight. So I'll just remember those things, and we'll do the same for needful for this as well. We just go over here, change the car chrome for this and this small one. Where is it? Okay, okay, this and this. So take a new texture, AI, render surface. We'll add a chrome which would be 100%, and we'll have this one slightly dark. And I'll name it as front glass front glass chrome, front glass chrome, which should be okay. So what I need to do is now I'll just select everything and like this one, and tell them to be 0, tell them to be 0, even them, so that they just go back to their places. This small one is the remaining. I think so. Rest everything is gone now behind. So we have texture of a car. Now let's hope that everything works out perfectly. Hit render. So as you see, the headlight is really looking good, even if though it's catching reflection, which is a really good part. And let us go closer to them so that we can see how well they are behaving. Let this render get complete. Come on, come on. Just one more. So what we need to do is we need to tell them to be opaque, which is really important now. Take them out again. Come on outside. We'll go here. Arnold. Come on, man. Opaque. Out. Opaque. Done. Now just let us just check this one. So this is causing too much of reflection. Let us just go over here and change the glass. I think so. Uh, just take hyper. Come on. No. Yes. Okay, transparency is there. Maybe reflection, there is reflectivity. This is not affecting. Okay, my bad. I just didn't transparent this one, which was my bad. I should have transparent it so that I could have seen inside part. Well, that's okay. That was I was thinking that why is it looking like this? Now we'll see. We will hit render once again. Now you see that we see the car inside Chrome, which is good, and it's looking slightly weird. Um, let us hit the full HD render, I think so, which would be much better for us to understand and see how like this everything is looks pixelated right now for a while. Let us just hit HD render. Let's see, just a perspective, and come on. So let me just pause this and wait for the HD render to get hit. So I have rendered this. Now you see that we get a perfect example like what is looking how. So you see the glass went to transparent. The front to glass went really to transparent, and the chromatic is too. The chrome is really strong inside. So what we will do is just darken slightly the chrome, and we'll make those glass kind of like a foggy kind of thing, so that we see this perfectly. So let us do that. I'll have just cancel it, and we'll go over here, and we'll select both of the classes, like each class is from here. They have same texture, so there is nothing to worry, and we'll make them slightly, now you see, less transparent, so that we don't see too much through them, and slightly reflective, so that we have the outside area as well. And what we will do, I don't want them to cast the shadow, so that they don't cast any kind of a shadow from themselves. So let us just take this slightly out, and same thing for him. We went to transparent. Well, this can be too transparent. There is nothing to worry about that. So we just needed this to be perfect. Okay. So we have this now. In that case, and I'll just switch back to SD 540, and let us hit a render over here. So of this one. So I'll go over here, and in Arnold open render view, come on F5. That's what the shortcut is. After this thing is done, we'll do for like a small fine tuning to the car and everything, so that everything looks great. Come on, come on, ho ja. So you see that we need to get slightly dark in this area, this chrome, so that it's not much better than this two, and it shouldn't be much better than this two. So this is what we wanted shot to look like, and let me just hit once more the HD render, so that we just get a proper, like this looks too pixelated and it's quite hard to judge. Let us hit one more time the HD render for the glass. Okay, and let us just go and click F5 once again, and this will take some time. Let us just select this. Oh, I've selected this and let us just look at this only. Come on, man. Seriously, it's not getting updated. Come on, man. Let me just pause. So now you see the glass, the headlights are really looking cool. Even the car is looking cool, and after the composite, definitely the shot will look much realistic. Just one small last thing, which would be getting this part dark, and we then can finish it off. We'll just go cancel everything. I think so. We had a separate Chrome for that inside part. Where is it that Chrome front glass Chrome, which is, or else if it's not, I'll just add a new another one. AI standard shadow surface. Sorry, we'll go as a Chrome. Replace this and get this dark. So what I'll do, go here, render setting, and change it to FSD. And let us just open Arnold render now and refresh our render. So now you see the actual comp. The car is really looking cool, but there are certain few more tricks that we'll do in our next video. So this is almost done. The rendering is almost. Yes, it's almost completed, and this car is looking good. We can slightly go much more down on the chrome, which is where is it? Come on, why did I just close that like an idiot? Yes, standard surface, chrome, fog, light. Let us get this down slightly more, and the metal as well, slightly rough. So we'll have good now the render which we needed. Let us refresh once again. Now that's good. Chrome went slightly dark, which is what we needed, and we can tweak it finally the way we want later on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And if you have any doubt or any query, please do ask me in comment section or reach to me on any other social chat. Well, this is really good. The car is looking good, and let's finish it off.